Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics. In this particular video, we are going to see the motion. Okay, whenever object travels some distance or displacement in some particular time, so we can have how much fast the object is traveling. Okay, so in that case, we have a different concept of motion, which is known as speed. Okay, so basically, speed is taken as distance upon time. If it remains constant with time, that kind of motion will not be known as uniform motion. Okay, if it varies with time, then such kind of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Okay, so basically uniform motion is such kind of motion in which object travels equal distance in equal interval of time. Such kind of motion is known as uniform motion. Okay, so whenever suppose ki, so I can make one table. So here I can take distance, here I can take time, here I can take speed. Okay, so suppose initially the object has t second, it is at origin. Okay, so in the first second, suppose it has traveled 5 meter distance, so distance is in the middle. Okay, in the second it has traveled again 5 meter distance. In the third second it has traveled again 5 meter distance. So in each second it has the speed. Here it has speed of 5 meter per second, here it has speed of 5 meter per second, here it has speed of 5 meter per second. So here you can see that at each time of interval of time the speed remains constant. Then in such cases the motion is known as uniform motion. Okay, so basically in the uniform motion the speed remains constant. Okay, so that's all for the uniform motion. Okay, also you have to remember that thing, in the uniform motion acceleration become zero. Okay, such kind of motion is known as uniform motion. Second motion is non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time. Such kind of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Okay, so basically in this particular motion, speed varies with time. So here we can make one table like this. In the first second, it has traveled suppose 5 meter distance. In the second, it has traveled suppose 15 meter distance. In the third second, suppose it has traveled 30 meter distance. Okay, so here I can take, okay, so 0 to first, in the first interval of time it has a speed of 5 meter per second. The second interval of time it has speed of 10 meter per second. In the third interval of time it has speed of 15 meter per second. Here you can see that in each interval of time the speed is continuously increasing. Okay, so such kind of motion is known as non-uniform motion, in which the speed varies with the time. Here speed is increasing. Okay, so here you can see that in each interval of of time, speed increases by the 5 meter per second. Okay, here it has increased again with the 5 meter per second. Okay, so such kind of motion is also known as accelerated motion. Here the acceleration is constant, so such kind of motion is also known as uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion is also known as non-uniform motion, right? So in the non-uniform motion, we can say that speed varies with the time, and such kind of motion is also known as accelerated motion or uniformly accelerated motion if the acceleration is the constant, right? So that's all for the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. We will see in the next video about speed, velocity, and average speed and average velocity. Okay, thank you so much. Stay connected to the channel for further videos.